Avoid these mistakes when buying CCTV cameras. First up, don't fall for the trap. Cheapest doesn't mean better. You might save a few bucks, but you could end up with footage that looks like it was filmed on a potato. Seriously, make sure you can zoom in without turning everything into a pixelated mess. Speaking of quality, go for cameras with at least 4K resolution. Anything less, and you'll be squinting at blurry faces like you're trying to recognize someone in a crowd from 100 yards away. Trust us, your future self will thank you when you can actually see who's at the door. Next on the list, make sure your CCTV system offers cloud storage. Why? Well, if there's a break-in, the intruder might just take the local storage device with them. Poof, your evidence is gone. With cloud storage, your footage is safe and sound, far away from sticky fingers. Number 3, motion detection is your friend, but only if it's smart. If your cameras pick up every little thing, like a leaf blowing in the wind or a car driving by, you'll be stuck watching hours of tree leaves dancing. And let's be honest, you didn't buy a CCTV system to watch nature documentaries. Look for cameras with advanced motion detection and heat sensitivity so you only capture what matters. Number 4, don't forget color night vision. Make sure your cameras can see in the dark and still deliver clear, colorful footage. This way, even in low light conditions, you won't be left guessing whether that shadowy figure is a potential intruder or just your neighbor's cat on a late night adventure. Number 5, coverage is key. Before you buy, check how many cameras your system can support. Some only allow up to 4, which might leave parts of your house unprotected. If you need more coverage, go for a system with at least 6 to 8 cameras, so you're not left with blind spots that an intruder could easily exploit. Follow for more.